Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's project, I will show you how to make a card for Easter. All you need is some cardstock and your Cricut or Silhouette. Choose your cardstock and cut it to size. For this card, I'll be using some 65-pound yellow cardstock for the card and some white cardstock for the main design. Put them both on a green mat and use a brayer to stick them down smoothly. I am using the Maker 3 today, and to score the card, I'll need to load in either a scoring stylus or a scoring wheel. I have my scoring stylus handy, so I'll use that one today. Just open up clamp A and push down until you hear a click, then close the clamp. My machine is done cutting, so now I can take the cardstock off the mat. Flip the mat over and slowly and carefully pull the mat away from the cardstock. In a solid piece like this, removing the mat is pretty easy. On a more intricate design, however, it's a bit trickier. You can use your lifter tool to help in this process. Go slow and unstick little sections as you go. In an intricate design like this, there is the potential to get little tears in the cardstock. If you find that you're having any issues with pieces ripping or not cutting through cleanly, you might need to replace your fine point blade. The other reason this could occur is if your mat isn't strong enough to hold the paper in place. You want to use a green mat for cardstock, and if it's older or dirty, you can try cleaning it to make it sticky again. All I have to do now is grab some glue or adhesive and stick it down. Today I will be using Mod Podge. This card is done and ready for Easter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.